What's this called?
This is a book.
No.
This is a bowl.
This is a plant.
Plants.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
What am I doing?
Full of water.
What's the plant made of?
Paper.
What's this called?
Oreo.
What's this called?
Oreo.
No. What's this called?
It's Oreo.
No. This is Wario, silly.
Or rock.
War rock. What's the plant made of?
Metal.
No.
Paper.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
That's right, it's a plant. Good boy.
This is a plant.
It's a plant. What's the plant made of?
Paper.
What's this made of?
Metal.
Okay. What's the plant made of?
Paper.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
What am I doing?
Full of water.
What's this called?
This is a plant.
That's close. Can you say it better? What's this called?